everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. It's Marybeth. I'm back. I'm excited to be here. I'm taking you inside of the back office of the Profit Pals Pro program once again because it is a really simple system. Very easy to navigate, very user-friendly, beginner-friendly, and you can be getting started for a one-time $50 today and just a one-time $12.95 admin fee. That is it. There are no monthly fees with Profit Pals Pro. So when you do get started, you log into your back office after you've made both payments, $50 to me and $12.95 to admin. This is exactly where you want to start. You want to click on Get Started. You want to be sure and watch this video first and foremost because it's going to take you through step by step and explain everything to you. Please don't take any shortcuts, okay? I promise you, it's going to be well worth every single minute of your time. 17 minutes and 48 seconds long, and then you are good to go. Then you're going to want to review all of your instructions right here. Additional supplemental instructions. This is where you're going to set up your profile. You'll plug in your name, your email, all that good stuff, and then decide how you want to get paid. That is super exciting. This is worldwide. You can get paid however you wish and whatever works for you. One method or more than one method, okay? So that's where you're going to set that all up, and then you'll be able to track and monitor your downline. Now there's a wide variety of different marketing options here. We also have additional marketing resources inside of our paid members Facebook group. They were just recently added and updated on July the 3rd. So once you get into that group, make sure you scroll down and carefully review all the wonderful information on the July 3rd post in the Profit Pals Pro paid Facebook members community. Okay, so we'll just click on this real quick. You're going to be able to download flyers if you want to do direct mail order. It just so happens next month starts the busy season, the onset of the direct mail order boom season. So those of you who like to, do offline marketing, this is going to be the most opportune time of year to engage and embark on that for the best results. Okay, we have postcard templates here that you can download. You can get these printed off. Alrighty, we have a wide variety of text ads. We have a great email swipe here. If you have any kind of warm email contact list, any kind of email list whatsoever, I would definitely highly recommend that you put this email swipe to good use. Okay, right here we have the ultimate ad generator. You can create unlimited ads right here that you can use. You can post, you can email. You just click this little icon right here and click generate your ad, and it's going to generate an ad for you on the fly any time of the day or night. Okay, you go here, you want to do another one, you just click here, generate ad, you're going to get another email, folks. Super powerful. This is a wonderful, wonderful ad generator right here, okay? Easy to use. It's included in your, one-time membership, $50. A wide variety of different banner ads. All you have to do is copy and paste the code, and you can have fun posting these banner ads up. Now, I'm using an amazing marketing system. It's a third-party marketing system through my capture page. I'll share that with you here momentarily. It is not required, but I highly recommend it because it is bringing me great, great results. Consistent signups almost on a daily basis. So we'll get into that here momentarily, but this is where you can go for your marketing. Then this is where you access your products. The 5K formula. This is incredible value, incredible content. This is going to help you. It's going to empower you with knowledge, because remember, knowledge is power, okay? And it's going to give you skills. It's going to equip you with skills that you can take out there, you can utilize to the fullest to help you to successfully build your business. Apply and implement what you're learning, and this is going to help you to start to earn. Okay, it's going to give you that potential. The 5K formula, the CEO Wealth Formula, the 5K formula, all down here. You click here to download your PDF. Here's your audio course right here. Okay, download the MP3 set right here. We have Mentors in Motion right here. This is absolutely amazing. Valued at $499. You'll be able to download all this additional product content right here. We have the Millionaires Online Audio magazine library. Okay, all these wonderful legends to help you, to empower you with information and knowledge and skills and training. Folks, you're going to absolutely love this. You want to take this, you want to utilize it for your greater good, and you want to actually apply it and implement it. Be consistent, folks. And we have these wonderful videos here for mindset transformation. So there's a wealth of value. There's a wealth of content. I mean, it's really pure value and pure content for $50 one time. And you can take this and you can apply it into other opportunities, okay? It is transferable. It is wonderful, folks, okay? So take it, use it, take your time with it, all that good stuff. Now you have an optional viral video tool right here, totally optional, that you can purchase and you can resell. Again, it is not required, but it's here for you if you want to take advantage of it. Okay, the video viral tool link generator. All right. And then we have our bonus product, our bonus downloads right here. Okay, you can download all of these additional training, additional information, knowledge to empower you with skills that you can take and apply and utilize here for this business and any other opportunity that you are doing right now or you might do in the future. Okay, this is universal marketing training. It's going to help you in a wide variety of facets in your life, both personally and professionally and in your business. Okay. And then we have the Bonus Millionaires online audio downloads right here, folks. Okay, Stan Harris. I mean, check all this out. You're going to have access to this full-blown audio library. You click here for your access. Then you unlock your master key system right here. Additional downloads, 6 of them, okay? Additional bonus downloads for your mastery key system, folks. These will help you in so many different ways. So I wanted to share that with you, okay? So if we go over here before I conclude to mycapturepage.com, that's the marketing system I'm using, /Profit Pals Pro. You can check this out, mycapturepage.com /Profit Pals Pro. It is not required, but I highly recommend it if you really want to have success with your Profit Pals Pro business. It's a wonderful marketing system. It'll automate everything. It'll do all your telling, all your selling, all your explaining. 24/7 you watch this. It shows you how to set everything up very easily, step-by-step tutorial. Click on the thumbnail. This is the capture page I'm using. This is additional ways to get traffic. They have done for you autopilot traffic. Okay? Now me personally, I love YouTube. I'm very consistent with YouTube. YouTube has served me very, very well. It is free. And you can do faceless. You can do audio only. You can do your webcam. You can do short form. You can do long form. You can do video shorts. You can do reels. You can go live. There's so many different ways that you can utilize video marketing, and especially with YouTube. Okay? So just wanted to share that with you. Of course, you can take this out to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn. That's like, 7 right there. Social media marketing, folks, is huge and it is free. It is absolutely free. Okay, but this is a great marketing system that you can be plugging into and using. Okay, so this is my page right here. Okay, dailypaybeginshere.com. I'll drop the link below in the description. dailypaybeginshere.com. You'll go here, you'll enter a good name, email, show me the video, and this is exactly where you are going to be taken to my landing page. So just give me a moment here to pull this up, landing page. Okay, and the beautiful thing is, this is going to help you to build your email list. It's got a wonderful high converting series of email follow-ups that'll go out for you on your behalf to help you convert a percentage of your leads into paid customers, to help you to get those instant pay $50 commissions with the potential to do that over and over for Profit Pals Pro program. Okay, so right here you're going to watch explainer video number 1, a great fun short video to watch. It does a great job of explaining. We've got a great full-length step-by-step presentation video, 10 minutes. This literally breaks it all down, very simplistically explains everything in detail that you'll ever want to know about the Profit Pals Pro opportunity. So be sure and watch it. Don't take any shortcuts. And then here's the exciting pay plan video. We've got a powerful compensation plan with some very, very nice leverage built into it. So be sure and watch that. You're ready to get started? You click right here. Okay. Right here. And then this is your direct sales page. You're going to get one of these. You'll scroll all the way down and you're going to just plug into steps number 1 and 2. Here's great testimonials. Here's for illustrative purposes, a potential earning calculator. Play around with it. Have fun. Check out these testimonials by clicking on any one of these little black arrows. And then to get started, you can check out the product right here, the bundle pack of the 5K formula. Click here to play, and then tune into the audio. It's going to explain and reveal everything you're going to be able to learn to help you to win and have success online, all right? With your business, Profit Pals Pro today. All right, step 1, pay me $50. I accept Square, Cash App, PayPal, Wise, and Venmo. I've got a handful of ways to get paid. So you can pay me, and then you can get paid however you want. Square, I've got the Afterpay option, so if you wish, you can certainly split up that $50 into 4 interest-free installments. Just keep that in the back of your mind, all right? But we've got the Square. If you're in the United States, we've got the Cash App, we have the PayPal, and the Wise for international, and this is global. And then, of course, we've got the Venmo, all right? Direct member to member. You do step 1 first, and then you come down to step 2. You pay the admin. $12.95 one time, no monthly fees. Okay, super simple. Stripe, you can use a card. And then also there's other options of Revolt for international, Bitcoin as well, and Wise for international. You can do a card, a debit or credit, Visa, MasterCard, Mastro, American Express, or Discover, whatever works for you, all right? And then just pay very careful attention to this. You'll send a copy of your $50 purchase receipt to profitpalspro.com. You'll include my name and my ID, okay, which is found right down here at the very, very bottom of this page. There's my name, correct spelling. My ID is 743. 743. You'll be assigned your own unique ID. Now, if you need me to, I am more than happy. I've got a little tool where I can take a copy of your receipt and I can forward it to the admin at profitpalspro.com on your behalf. So if you need me to do that, do not worry, fret, or stress. If you can't for whatever reason, let me know. I'll just send it right over and you will be golden. Okay? So with that being said, folks, I wanted to share this with you. So many ways you can promote this. There's also Udemy, udimi.com. Once you get into profit mode, folks, you go here. This is a click traffic site with hundreds upon hundreds of click vendors solo ads. Okay? You sign up for free. You go here to buy solo ads. Very scalable. Okay? Very, very scalable. Start with 100 clicks. Work your way up. It's a great site, great vendors. I will share with you all of my resources when you get started with me. I use the My Capture Page marketing system. I'm big on YouTube. Udemy, udimi.com. I use this. There's traffic exchanges. There's safe lists. There's all kind of different places that you can advertise. One more place, let me drop this to you. It used to be Print Founders. It is now called the Office Annex. So I just want to share this with you. The Office Annex, ANNEX.com. And again, if you're somebody who likes direct mail, you can go here, do a search on Profit Pals Pro. The Office Annex, ANNEX.com. And you're going to find a flyer and a postcard. Okay? You can start with 100 of these. 100 postcards, $34.95. 100 flyers, $51.95. So a great, simple way that you can grow, build, and scale up your Profit Pals Pro business. Office Annex, theofficeannex.com. And there you go, folks. Okay, there is the postcard right there. Okay, and you can click on it. It's going to pull up. See, beautiful, double-sided. The link is right there. All you have to do is add your ID. Again, minus 743, you're going to have your own, and you can put your name. Phone is optional. You can, of course, use a Google Voice if you want to, whatever you're comfortable with. That's totally optional. And, of course, an email address. A way that somebody can reach you would be a good idea. So if you just want to put your name right here, first name, last name, or just first name, email address, that will be fine too. And then, of course, if you have a phone number, you can use a Google Voice if you don't want to put your personal. That is totally up to you. Okay, but these are wonderful, high converting postcards, and they work great, folks. I wanted to give you options. There's so many ways. Social media free. Again, we've got the YouTube, we've got the Facebook, the TikTok, the Instagram, we've got the LinkedIn, we have got the Pinterest, lots of places. Safe lists, Google safe lists, classified ads, free classified ads, okay, solo ads, click traffic. You can Google all that. Again, inside of our paid Facebook group, July the 3rd, all kind of resources. In the back office, lots of resources. You just have to pick and choose, folks. Pick a couple, get started, layer on, add on. You can build this, you can grow this, you can scale this up over time. And then connect with me, folks. I'll share everything with you. Also, my capture page, totally optional. They have a wide variety of marketing resources too that you can plug into and advertise for autopilot, done for you traffic. A great way to go, folks. So thank you so much. You know what to do next. The link will be below. Text or call me if you have any questions. It's all in the description. Until my next video, you take care. Oh, before I conclude, I want to welcome 2 more team members, OD and Lisa. Okay, they just joined me. We've got Lisa and we've got OD. So congratulations. You made a great decision. Thank you and welcome aboard Profit Pals Pro. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.